Smart displays have added an entirely new layer to how we interact with the Google Assistant. But this year at CES 2019, Lenovo and Google are showing off a brand new product which isn't just the smallest we've seen so far, but also delivers a whole new take on the experience. The Lenovo Smart Clock at first glance looks just like a smaller Google Home Hub, and essentially it is just that. The clock has a measly 4-inch display which is purpose designed for use in the bedroom. The small size compared to a normal smart display is pretty obvious, and Lenovo has worked with Google to develop a brand new interface for that smaller size. The clock face can be customized to a number of different options, and swiping to the right reveals a number of pages which display information such as alarms, weather, music, commute details, and more. The idea is to mainly use this at night or in the morning, and the features follow suit. Some other neat additions include a gentle wake up which brightens the display for 30 minutes before you wake up, and you can also simply tap or double tap the device to snooze or turn off an alarm. The extremely small size also means it fits great on any nightstand. The Lenovo Smart Clock can't do quite everything that a standard smart display can do, such as streaming video, but it can do anything an Assistant smart speaker can do, and a little bit more. Lenovo will launch the Smart Clock this spring for $79 and will have a full review at the time. You can learn more in our hands-on post over on 95google.com, linked down in the description, and be sure to subscribe for our continued CES 2019 coverage.